everybody, this is Cassandra, also known as C Love, and I just wanted to do a video because I've been cleaning my house like crazy because I've been getting rid of clutter and things and just accomplishing the goal of being organized for the first time ever. And it's hella funny because I just bumped into things that made me laugh so hard. Whenever people ask me the story of how I started and how C Love began, and I go into how I was facing being pregnant and facing being a single mom, and how my intuition told me to ask a friend if I could set up in the back of her night events at Supper Club in San Francisco. And I was super pregnant, didn't know what I was doing, but I did it anyways. And I always tell them that I would like literally tape up signs on the wall. I found the signs, guys. I found the signs, and I found also all the like tipping makes you sexy or tipping makes you more sparkly signs. Like I found all these things. So this is like the rough beginnings of how C Love began. But like I used to tape up like say hi, number 2 sit down, and then number 3 is become art. And I used to tape them above where I was sitting in the back of Supper Club in San Francisco. And then I would have signs like, thank you for supporting us, and then my why, and I would tape a picture of my daughter there. It would look like this. Honestly, it started growing hecka huge, and I just kept taping stuff. Oh my god, it's so funny. And then to get people's information, I used to literally like either have a piece of paper or I would have like a notebook. And so I have loads and loads of notebooks with handwritten names and emails and phone numbers in them because I didn't understand technology. And basically I just wanted to share all this with you guys because it just shows you how you can start wherever you're at. You don't need to know everything. You don't need to know all the technology. You don't need to know all the business stuff. You just literally start where you're at, even if it's writing on pieces of paper and taping them to the wall. And people will sit with you and they will talk with you and they will support you. So long as you're doing something that comes from your heart, so long as you're doing something that's inspiring, so long as you're being a good human and adding value and actually caring and being of service. Like seriously, this is the beginning of C Love. And I had to share it with you guys because I thought it was so hilarious. So I hope you guys are having an amazing week. Start where you're at, especially right now with Corona going on and the pandemic. It's a great time to recreate yourself. If you lost your job, you could think of something that would really inspire you, something that you know that other people want to learn, or something that you love to do that you could offer to others. It's a great opportunity to just like get out there and just start where you're at, even if it's like writing it on a piece of paper and then taping it somewhere. You can start anywhere and things can grow as long as you put a lot of love, intention, and attention into it. So have a great day. That was C Love, and I will talk to you later.